I'm Charlotte McLeod with the Investing News Network, and this is your quick look at the stories we covered this week that you need to read. This week, the gold price broke past $1,600 per ounce for the second time this year. The yellow metal's rise came as a response to the growing economic impact of the coronavirus, or COVID-19. The Chinese economy in particular is beginning to feel the effects of the virus, which at the time of this recording had claimed over 2,100 lives. To find out what investors can do to protect their wealth during black swan events like the coronavirus outbreak, INN turned to experts in the resource space. While they offered different opinions on what to do, overall they agreed that having a diverse portfolio with exposure to precious metals is a good place to start. Gold, which has continued to rise since breaking the 1,600 mark earlier this week, wasn't the only precious metal making waves. Palladium hit yet another record high, spurred by many of the same factors. In our Twitter poll this week, we asked our followers whether it can continue to go up, and about 50% of respondents said it's not done yet. We'll be asking another question on Twitter next week, so make sure to follow us and share your thoughts. The cannabis industry faced a difficult 2019, but according to Bo Whitney of New Frontier Data, money is still available for companies. It's just not as easy to get. Speaking to INN, Whitney said that cannabis investors have started to make more targeted investments. In his opinion, ancillary companies are one avenue to pursue. In tech this week, INN shared an interview with Michael Sonnenschein of Grayscale Investments, who spoke about growing institutional interest in the cryptocurrency space. He believes that this interest is helping to improve values in the sector and suggested that they could improve even further when the next Bitcoin halving happens in May. Finally, in the life science space, INN spoke with Jerry Fragon of Taylor Fragon Capital Management about his predictions for the healthcare sector. Among other things, he said he sees the industry being driven by trends like home healthcare and the direct-to-consumer narrative. That's all for this week. Tune in again next week when we tell you more about what's going on in the resource, cannabis, tech, and life science spaces. In the meantime, you can follow us on social media, subscribe to our YouTube channel, or click below for our free report or any article mentioned in this video. See you next time.